Alright, we got a little unboxing video here. We ordered some new tires for our next project. It's an off-road cart with a cage, Predator 212, you know, all the good stuff. So we decided we needed some new tires, so let's open up the box and see what we got.
Ooh, I'm excited.
That should be pretty cool. We went from a normal tractor, lawn tractor style tire to a knobby, holy crap, four-wheeler tire. We plan on taking her where she don't belong.
Oh my god. Get a load of these. Oh my god, pull out the fronts.
Of course, you know.
Oh, they're banded.
Someone's got to call me. They had to band them. These ones will probably be a little crinkled. We'll have to let them sit in the sun and soften up and come back to shape. But
sick.
It's about the same. Holy. Pull them apart so we can get a look at the tread. Now, that'd be the front. That's the back. The front's got a little like knurling on the little baby treads, but I think these will do pretty good for what we want to accomplish here.
You want to put them up next to the cart?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's get a preview.
We'll do a front and a back up next to our cart, give you guys a little idea. Move some junk.
We need to move the mini bike out the way. Nah, we're gold. Oh my god, that is gonna be sick. That is gonna be sick.
You guys will also get some future videos. You guys will get another future video. We're gonna make a video of us mounting the tires. You'll get other videos of us throughout the cart project. Hopefully it won't take us 10 years. We should be able to get it done relatively quick.
We're pretty good. We're pretty good. We got the 212 here. We're gonna run a knockoff Mikuni on it. We got this custom header. We got the steering that we got to weld in from a RIP race cart. It's gonna be pretty sick.
We got our aluminum racing seat, getting a couple broken welds fixed right now, and then we'll mount the seat on and do the steering column, and we'll give you guys a video of that.
We're gonna run this four-wheeler gas tank up top, run it down to the pulse pump, run it back to the knockoff Mikuni. You like our little intake here? You know, it looks pretty cool when it's running and it's sucking. We do need to order a set of pulleys. As you can see, that one's pretty rusty. And then she's good to go. So there's gonna be coming up